Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on here and show you guys what I'm doing with my hair real quick. I just washed my hair and I used my favorite shampoo in the whole wide world, and you get this at Sally's. And this is the Proclaim Professional Hair Care Shea Butter Moisturizing Shampoo. And I have on my Babilon Kay boutique t-shirt towel. So now I'm going to deep condition my hair, and I'm going to be using Skin and Apothecary French hair paste. I've used this one other time, and you guys, this stuff makes my curls pop so freaking much, y'all, because I'm gonna do an overnight deep conditioning tonight. So I'm wearing my Babilon Kay boutique hard candy bonnet with a plastic cap so I don't get my hard candy bonnet dirty. But this stuff smells so good. So it looks like this, you guys. Look at that. I just take a glob of it, and then I just start putting it all over my hair, just putting it everywhere. I love this stuff. I go ham with the conditioner. I love conditioners. I try to make sure that I get my hair nice and saturated with it, because it makes my hair so much easier to detangle with conditioner. It makes my hair super soft. The first time I used it, I left it on for about, I want to say like a couple of hours. And when I took off my hard candy bonnet, my curls looked so freaking good. And when I rinsed it off, my hair still looked really good. I think it's in there pretty good. Let me show you the back of it. Alright guys, so now I'm going to put on my plastic cap, and this is just so I won't get my hard candy bonnet dirty or get conditioner all over it. Sometimes in the middle of the night, if plastic cap is getting on my nerve, I'll just take it out. I'm going to go ahead and get ready for bed, go to sleep, and I'll be back in the morning time to show you guys what it looks like when it's been sitting in my head for a while. Hey guys, it's the next morning, and I'm about to rinse out my French hair paste. So I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like, because my hair gets really curly like right after. Well, I'll be right back, and I'm going to do a limb check video, and I'm also going to do my roller set. So stay tuned. Really quick limb check for y'all, because I know some of you guys keep asking me to do a limb check. So here it is. Here it is. So I'm going to try to do it like when I did my first one, when I big chopped my hair. So my hair is at 5 on the side. This side is 5 inches on this side. So both sides are at 5 inches. So this is at 5 inches too. My hair is so easy to comb too. That's why I love that hair paste, because my hair is seriously really easy to comb, and it feels super light. And this is not a sponsored video, you guys. I just really like that product. So this is a 4.5 on that side. This side is 4.5 too. So these are 4.5. This is 5 inches. This one is 5 inches. And the top of my hair, look how easy that is to comb, y'all, for real. This looks like it's about 5.5. So 5.5 at the top of my head. So I'm gonna put in some leave-in conditioner, and this is the Proclaim Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. And I'm gonna be light-handed because I want my hair to kind of dry fast, because I'm gonna put these rollers in there. So I'm just gonna not use as much. And this leave-in conditioner is okay. It smells nice. It smells like honey. And I'm gonna do the center on my hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna section my hair off, and I'm gonna use these rollers. They're all one size, so I have found a use for this olive oil wrap / set mousse. So now I'm gonna use that, roll it up with my small rollers. I'm just going to put a squirter, make sure it's completely wet. Then I'm going to take my denim brush, make sure that it is slick on the ends. And I'm going to place that at the very ends. Now see, I should have got some more of these rollers like this, because they have like little teeth in them. So I think that's going to hold this better, but we will see how everything looks at the end. So I'm going to do this to my entire head. my hair, how it turned out. It turned out a little frizzy. I don't know if I like it. I thought it would be a little more curlier, but that's probably more to do with the way I was curling it. I wanted to mention before I forgot that Skin French hair paste, this was sent to me to try and review, you guys. So yeah, going back to the hairstyle. If you guys like it, let me know in the comment section. I don't know, I can take it or I can leave it. I like the bigger curls that were in the middle right here. I don't really like the smaller curls, and I don't know if it mostly had to do with these little ones with the teeth. These didn't give me a problem, the slick ones, but the ones with the teeth, y'all, I will not be buying. I see why these were $1 because they are horrible. I'm about to throw all of these away. Probably pick up some more of these in different sizes because I did like the bigger curls right here, and they took out some of my hair when I was removing them because they were so hard to remove from my hair. Y'all, don't ever pick these up. They are trash. Zoom in real quick and show you guys. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is some of my hair still wrapped up in these, like these two right here, and it's a bunch more because I use these the most. I actually thought these would work better because of the little teeth, and maybe they could clamp my hair down tighter, but no, these were complete trash, y'all. I tried to slick it down with some Murray's Edge Wax because that stuff really does do a good job slicking down my edges, y'all. It really does. That is like one of the best products I've found, especially for my natural hair, to really slick and hold my edges down. I love it. It's frizzy in the back, and no, I did not pick it out all the way. That's just how it dried. So I really don't know. I don't like the back. I think this was like a half fail because I do kind of like the front of it, like the bigger curls, but the back, it's too frizzy to do a curl hairstyle. So don't really like that. I did try to take little pieces and try to like twist them their own individual curl, but they still came out frizzy. So thank you guys so much for watching. All of the links for everything that I use will be in the description bar. I'm not going to put, if I can find these and the white rollers, these rollers, every time I say rollers, I have been watching Claws on TBS. If y'all watch Claws, let me know in the comment section with Niecy Nash. That show is so good. Every time I say rollers, I be thinking about Roller from the show. These white rollers are, I like these. I like these. These are good. If I can find them, I'll put a link in the description bar. I did pick these up from Amazon, so I got these from Amazon. And it's funny because when I first cut my hair, these were the rollers that I got. I got these rollers. Got one pack of these rollers because I wasn't sure the size of them, so I ordered them on Amazon. These were way too big. I couldn't even get like hair. I couldn't even get my hair to roll over. Like, they were so big. But now I rolled them with my hair, so yeah, so I'm liking my hair growth too. Anyway guys, I'm babbling, so I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.